You're safe and sound without a threat, and I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in.
We're headed to Wenatchee to see my sister, but we had to stop here at this viewpoint. It's absolutely gorgeous. A lot of rolling hills. And a beautiful big lake. It's just awesome. There's a short trail right here that leads up the side of this mountain. It's very steep, but it leads up to horse sculptures. It's pretty neat. Here's a closer shot. Oh, there's some people up there right now. The views are pretty amazing all the way around. Just beautiful. What do y'all think about the view?
I like it. Ooh.
That's all you have? I like it.
It's great. It's amazing.
Thank you. There's 90 right there, and that is the bridge that we just crossed. Then came up to this scenic overlook. So I made it to Wenatchee, and my sister Maria is here. We're gonna take the dogs for a walk. We're here at the Walla Walla Park, and it has a path, a walking path, also a dog park. That's where Dana is with Banjo. So we're gonna go get her and then go walking. Right, Moo-moo? It's Natasha and Boris. Is he tripping you up, lady?
Yep. He certainly did. Oh, cute.
It's Boris and Natasha.
What are their names?
Boris and Natasha.
Oh, look at this.
Oh.
Here we go, doing the dance. Okay. Just let them go. They're doing the dance.
He's like, why your face so flat? He's Asian.
Come here.
Yes, the Asian dog.
He's like, I'm going to pee right here and show him who's boss.
He has nothing left.
Wait, so which one's 12? Both?
12. She's 12 pounds.
Oh, 12 pounds.
Yeah.
I thought you meant 12 in years
Moo-moo,
old.
over.
They are
Go,
3
go,
and a
go,
half.
go,
Oh,
go,
okay,
go,
they're
go,
both-
go, go.
Are they from the same litter?
No.
They have a volleyball court here with sand. It's pretty cool.
Look at that beautiful boxer.
This sinkhole just happened not too long ago. It's not a big one, but it's just weird. It just collapsed. So they have it fenced off. So this title right here, it talks about the statue. It says, Coyote leads the salmon up the river.
Aww, see the coyotes swimming.
Yeah, look, he has some in his hand.
Oh, how cute.
But if that was real life, he'd probably be eating them.
Yes.
We're walking over to this land jetty. It is man-made. Just gonna go check it out. Oh, let's go check it out. It's actually a small jetty. It's not too long. Oh no, actually it curves around. Handy. Awesome. And big rocks. Made it to the end. It was a little longer than I thought it would be. I was saying they should put a bridge here because that's the other side that we came from. That would be pretty neat. No boating in swimming area. So I guess this is all swimming area right here. It's a nice little place to swim.
Tubby time.
What's that?
You gotta get in the tub.
Oh, tubby time. Bath time. Moo-moo's like, my bath time is my tongue. Here, Banjo. Here's a stick. Banjo. Get it. He's like, that's as big as me, but he's gonna get it. Oh, good boy. Good boy. You saved it. Well, if you know, if you were ever drowning, he'd come and get you. We've continued our walk, but we've gone the other direction because there wasn't much the other way. What'd you say was up here? A sandbar? Is this a man-made one too?
Yeah.
Well, there is the sandbar. It's pretty neat. It makes a little inlet for swimming. What is that?
1900s. It's a paddle house.
Oh, paddle house.
Yeah.
That's really cool. It's a closer shot of it. That's pretty awesome. Now that the sun is set behind the mountains, it's definitely much cooler. It's a beautiful park. So this is the duck pond here. No ducks though. It's very relaxing. Row and paddle area and swimming area. That's what this path leads to. It's pretty. So here's some information about the Row and Paddle Club if you want to pause and read. That is one awesome building. I love that. It's kind of creepy a little bit.
Well, think of all the
But,
spider webs and stuff.
Yeah,
like that,
there's a lot of
so
spider webs, but
Halloweenish.
yeah, it's beautiful though. Oh, so there's a little like stream that leads down to the river. Wow. Awesome. So down there is where they have the boat launch and the, I guess, kayaks?
Paddle.
Do they
Mhm.
too?
Yep,
Yeah.
yep. Kayaks and whatever else you want to
What y'all doing?
paddle. Ski jets. They do have some ski jets up there.
Oh, okay. Moo-moo. Wrong side. Good girl. Good girl. Alright, let's go.
I'll see you tomorrow then.
Okay. Bye. Love you.
Love you too.
Thanks for the walk. So she's gonna head home. She lives right there. She walked over to the park. It's starting to get late, so I'm gonna head back. I think we're going to boondock at Home Depot because that Walmart was not, we were at a Walmart and they weren't RV friendly, but we did call the Home Depot and they said that trucks park there all the time. They're not gonna say yes or no, but they said if we park there that we wouldn't be towed away, so that's good enough. We made it to Home Depot. It's right across the street from Walmart. I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping in there because I have to grab a few things. I have a special place that I want to go to tomorrow. I'm excited. The family's gonna go and so is my sister. So I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound, everybody. Mwah. Love you out there. Bye.
How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? I need us to be a little bit high, a little completely